My aunt had been in an abusive relationship for about 18 years. One day she decided that she had had enough and she ended up shooting and killing her boyfriend. And so domestic violence was also something that I was really passionate about after that. This turned out to be the perfect fit for that. We see on average somewhere between 350 and 370 patients come in for an exam a year. So we say on average one a day. That's just Hillsborough County. And the first part of it is an interview process. And so we go into the quiet room, which is a really nice, comfortable room with couches and chairs. And it's always a nurse and an advocate in there with them.
Advocacy looks like a lot of different things, but overall, really our role is to believe and support the survivor as they're going through this process. Our goal is to help be that person by their side to make sure they don't have to go through it alone and really empower them along their healing process.
And so the nurse does all of the questioning, and we ask very specific questions about the actual assault. Was there penis to vagina contact, penis to anus contact, assuming that it's male and female? Just very detailed questions like that. After we complete the whole interview, we will come over to the exam room, which is the room we're in now. The nurse, the patient, the advocate also sits in during the exam as well. We also provide prophylactic treatment for any sexually transmitted infections. And we also provide emergency contraception. Again, all of those things are completely up to the patient if they so choose to do those. And so we allow them to go across the hall and sort of decompress themselves. And so what that means is if they want to take a shower, we let them take a shower. We provide all the toiletries, everything is across the hall in the bathroom. We also have a clothing closet that is all clothes that were donated, brand new with tags to the crisis center. They just can have like a moment to themselves, they can clean up. And a lot of times after that, we see them come out of the bathroom a totally different person than they came in.
Quiet room, exam room, bathroom, and then
back to the quiet room with the advocate. And so they do spend a good amount of time with the advocate talking about what services they can provide.
So as victim advocates, we actually have the privilege in that we don't get subpoenaed in a court system to speak on behalf of the survivor. And so as you can imagine, that can provide a comfort and relief for a survivor to know that they have someone in their life that they can share, process their thoughts with, process their feelings with, and who can be by their side in the court system as well.
You do have to have a passion for it. Like there's no doubt about it. And every single person on my team, whether it be the advocate team or my nursing team, that's what we notice. That's the common thread, is that we all are just very passionate about this work.